Which is the first picture? Spider. Can you hear the sound of a? No. Cross that out. Cross. Can you hear the sound of a in spider? Spider? No. Cross it. Next picture. Shelvin, can you hear the sound? What is this? What is this? Which picture? Tell me, what is this? Very good. Yes, you're right. Tell me. Ant. What is it? Can you hear the sound of a? Can you hear the sound of a in ant? Yes. Tick. Very good. Ayansh. Next. What is this? Which picture is this? Be careful. Yeah. Arrow. Can you hear the sound of a in arrow? Can you hear the sound of a in arrow? Arrow. Arrow. Yes. Can you hear? Tick. So it has the sound of a. Very good. Next picture is, all of us know, what is the next picture? Which is the next picture? Apple. Apple. Can you hear the sound of a? Apple. Can you hear the sound of a? Apple. Can you hear? Yes, Ayansh, can you hear the sound of a? Very good. Shelvin, can you hear the sound of a in apple? What is this? Bus. Can you hear the sound of write on your boards? Which sound you can hear? Bus. Write down on your board. Take the duster. Take this one. Yes. Take it. Very good. You have done right. Yes, Ayan, show me. Very good. Right. Done? Okay, now next object. What is this? Ambulance. What is this? Ambulance. Can you hear the sound of a? Shelvin, can you hear the sound of a? Ambulance. Ambulance. Can you hear? Ambulance. Very good. Write down a. Very good. So all of you have written done. Next. What is this? Do you know what is this? Tank. Can you hear the sound of a? Tank. Can you hear the sound of a in tank? Very good. Write down a. Tank. Okay. Be careful. Have water. Tank. Okay. Very good. That becomes at. And this is which sound? Very good. Can you write on your boards? All of you write on your boards. Superb. Excellent. Very good, Ayansh. Can you write a? Write down a. Excellent. Now can you write? Very good. Very good, Shelvin. Wow, you were so quick. Very good. Write down Shelvin, write down quickly. Write it on your board. Write on your board. Now write A. 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 Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. Excellent. A. 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 Very good. How have we learned? Go down and the dotty. Yes. Superb. Superb. A. Very good. You all have written right. Okay, Ayansh, you have to write A. T. What does it become? Sat. Say sat. Now next word is I. I. T. T. S. Excellent. Come on, very good. See here. Hold and yes. Super.